Life is smarter now, but also a little crazy. Let's explore how technology makes every day funny, weird, and unforgettable.
Hey Daniel, good morning.
Morning, Emma. You sound excited. What's up?
I can't believe what I did last night.
Uh-oh, sounds serious.
I was shopping online at midnight and accidentally ordered 50 phone cases instead of one.
50? How?
I pressed plus too many times. I was half asleep.
That's hilarious. What kind?
Pink glitter ones. My living room looks like a Barbie store now.
Can you return them?
Tried, but they already shipped. No cancellation allowed.
Midnight shopping disaster strikes again.
The delivery guy looked at me like I owned a shop.
You could sell them online. Turn mistake into business.
Maybe I will. Emma's sparkle cases.
Perfect. I can design the logo.
That would be awesome.
Lesson learned. Mistakes sometimes bring opportunity.
Still 50 pink cases.
I once ordered dog food instead of cereal. Breakfast was interesting.
That helps.
So, what's the plan?
Keep one, give a few to friends, sell the rest online.
Smart. From mistake to business.
Yep. Next time, coffee first, shopping later.
Deal.
Hey Daniel, can you hear me?
Yeah, but why do you look like a cat?
Oh no, I forgot to turn off the Zoom filter.
You have cat ears and whiskers. Are you serious?
Totally serious, and it's a work meeting.
Classic Emma. How do you plan to explain this?
I hope nobody notices. Wait, now I'm a potato.
A potato? Oh no, this is epic.
I can't fix it. My laptop hates me today.
Okay, calm down. Go to settings, video filters.
Trying. Okay, back to human. Finally.
Phew, now you can give your presentation without scaring everyone.
Thank goodness. I can't imagine meowing through slides.
You'd probably go viral though. Cat potato girl in Zoom meeting.
Don't even joke.
Lesson learned. Always check video filters before joining a call.
Definitely. And maybe never trust Mondays.
Agreed. Internet and Mondays. Double trouble.
Hey Daniel, I just tried that new AI interview app.
Oh, the one everyone's talking about? How was it?
Weird. At first it asked normal questions like, tell me about yourself.
Sounds normal.
Then it suddenly gave me dating advice.
What? Dating advice? During an interview?
Yes, it said, smile more and maintain eye contact, even on Zoom dates.
That's insane.
I almost laughed out loud. How can AI confuse job tips with dating tips?
Maybe it thinks your charm counts as a skill.
I guess so. Then it suggested, wear red lipstick to impress.
Emma, this is an interview, not a makeover show.
Exactly. I stopped using it after 5 minutes.
Did it at least ask some real questions?
A few, but I couldn't take it seriously. What's your strength? Be confident on dates.
I got confused between love and work. Classic.
Lesson learned, don't trust AI blindly. Humans still better.
Yep, but it could make a funny TikTok video.
True, maybe I'll post it later. Just for laughs.
Perfect. Eye disasters always make the best stories.
Hey Daniel, guess what I did today?
What now? Another online shopping disaster?
No, I started a YouTube channel.
Whoa, really? What's it about?
Just fun experiments and daily life vlogs. Nothing serious.
Cool. Did you film anything yet?
Yes, but there's a problem. My blooper video went viral.
Wait, what? How?
I tripped over the dog, dropped my coffee and yelled, "Oh no," all in one clip.
That's hilarious. People love real funny moments.
I guess so. I woke up to thousands of likes and comments.
See? That's how YouTube works. Unexpected moments go viral.
True, but I'm embarrassed too.
Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. You just made a funny one.
Yeah, maybe I should do more fun fails videos.
Definitely. Comedy is gold online.
Thanks, Daniel. I feel better now.
Anytime. And hey, I can help you edit the next video.
Really? That would be awesome.
Sure, let's make your channel even funnier.
Perfect. Maybe this is the start of something big. Hey, guess what I finally bought?
Let me guess, another gadget?
Not just any gadget, a smartwatch.
Nice. Does it make life easier or crazier?
A bit of both. It keeps buzzing every 5 minutes.
For what?
Everything. Time to move, drink water, stand up.
Wow, sounds like a digital coach.
More like a boss. I told it I was resting and it said, "You've been inactive too long."
That's rude.
Tell me about it. I was watching a movie, not sleeping.
At least it keeps you healthy.
Maybe, but yesterday it congratulated me for burning 500 calories. I was just waving my hands to music.
That's one way to exercise.
Yeah, if dancing on the couch counts.
You know what? Maybe I'll get one too.
Go ahead, just don't let it control your weekend. Hey, you remember that big online meeting I told you about?
Yeah, how did it go?
Disaster. My camera turned on before I knew it.
Oh no. What were you doing?
Fixing my hair with a towel on my head.
That's not too bad.
Until the boss said, "Nice hat."
You didn't.
I did. I tried to laugh it off, but then my mic refused to mute.
Classic tech moment.
It got worse. My cat walked across the keyboard.
Did it turn off the meeting?
No, it shared my screen full of food delivery tabs.
Perfect. Nothing like showing your dinner plans to your manager.
Yeah, from now on, I'm checking camera, mic, and cat before every meeting. You won't believe what my online delivery app did today.
What this time?
I ordered fresh apples. Guess what arrived?
Don't tell me something weird again?
A bag of onions.
That's not even close.
I called support and the agent said, "Sir, apples and onions sound similar?"
No, they don't.
Exactly. Then she offered me a discount on shampoo.
What does shampoo have to do with onions?
No clue. Maybe the system thinks I'm crying.
At least you got your refund, right?
Yes, but now I'm scared to order anything else.
Maybe next time send an emoji with your order. Apple, not onion.
Good idea. The app might finally understand human language. You ever talk to your smart speaker early in the morning?
Only when I'm half awake. Why?
I said, "Turn on the lights," and it started reading the news.
Maybe it thought you needed information before brightness.
Then I said, "Stop," and it replied, "Playing pop music."
Ah, so it ignored you completely.
Exactly. It's like arguing with a polite robot.
Did it at least make your coffee?
Nope. It ordered coffee filters instead.
That's close enough?
Not when you're late for work.
I swear these assistants have moods.
Yeah, like moody roommates who never listen.
Next time, I'll just press the switch myself.
Good call. Smart homes still need smart humans. Hey, you use parking apps, right?
Sometimes. Why?
Mine just charged me for a spot I never used.
How?
It has an auto detect feature. It detected me too early. While driving past,
That's ridiculous.
I emailed support. They said, "We trust our sensors."
Sensors can lie.
Exactly. I sent them dash cam footage to prove I never parked.
And?
They said, "We'll review it within 7 business days."
So you're still waiting?
Yeah, and paying for parking I didn't use.
Technology, making life easier and wallets lighter.
True, next time I'll just use cash and common sense. Guess what I found at my door today?
A surprise?
A package with my name, but I didn't order anything.
That's strange. What was inside?
A yoga mat, bright pink.
That's definitely not yours.
Exactly. The label said, "Happy birthday, Chloe."
So it's a gift for someone else.
Yeah, but the store told me, "Keep it as a token of good energy."
Nice, free yoga vibes.
Maybe it's a sign I should start stretching.
Or maybe it's the universe saying, time to relax.
I'll take that advice after I figure out who Chloe is.
Probably the person doing yoga with your mat right now.